Friday? She said yes. I said, all right then. Like when you play a series for Monday and Friday, I make your challenge Akeem. You and him play Monday and Friday, and me will play Tuesdays and Thursdays. I only come here and talk to her. She asked me, who are you talking to me? And I said, no, I'm not speaking to you. She gone up in her feelings. What is wrong with doing on social media? What is wrong with you? You create one scenario, you create this big episode. I must say one bunch of screen call for come look up and text me this man and tell me sorry. I'm not gonna sit and play no match with you. And every time them say something, every time you and them have a diss up, it is common in the world. Anytime me and some of them over here have a disagreement or a misunderstood, them adding the man. Every single time me and some of them have a disagreement, them adding me in.
Okay, Bomb Viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the beat and it can't see. Part of the screen, they might bring in Akeem and them bagger and foolishness, my people. They might bring in Akeem, bagger and foolishness. Put in the comment section where you think Rosealee did say about that. Because boy. Shay over there, so I said, Rosealee is setting up Dyema for expose Akeem Batty business because she don't want to do it. So she over there, so I have, her, I don't want to say minions, but her supporters, Backers Road and all of them people that will backs up together. Yeah, I'm saying Rosealee give them orders for antagonize Dyema so she can just mad out and crash out. Because say Dyema, when she ready for mad out, does anything come out, And say Dyema have them tickets, so. But for whatever reasons, I don't know why Rosealee and Shay in it. As you can see, Rosealee then I explain some things, Shay and I finally have started some things and people say, Rosealee plan for match that up too. But nevertheless, let's hear why Shay is vexed and then we'll proceed.
Maybe I'm wrong. As I said, chat, maybe I'm wrong. So I think it's a plan. Remember, I'm overthinking, I'm an overthinker and I'm a think deep. So me I say, Rose don't want to sink Akeem, but she want Dyema to do it. And that me start to think in my head now. Me don't know if me wrong. But me I think, me I say, Rose want sink Akeem, but she don't want be the one for do it, She want Dyema do it. A Dyema she want do it. That is why I say to Dyema, don't pay them no mind. Don't pay them no mind, Dyema. You them want put in a problem. And you them want put out things to people and run away and they here say, and you cause people for run away, and you cause people stop make money, and you cause people delete them page. Try your best to avoid them. Because you them want blood clot sink and put in at the batty wall. When they depend on the woman every day, that means say, you don't have a plan. It's a plan you don't have. You don't want to put out the boy, but a Dyema don't want to do it. You don't want to do it to yourself. A Dyema don't want to provoke for she do it. And you don't want to put out the boy. I tell her to avoid That's why I tell her to avoid because my sister is a setup. That's why I tell her try her best to avoid You should come live, play a match, make some money, don't cuss, member your page. That me tell her. Me say if you feel like you want to cuss, call me. Me give you a page, but don't use your page. Your page is to make money. It's a setup. It's a setup. So as an instigator, I'm going to tell her to put it out already, but I tell her don't do it. Try your best to ignore. I said, Dyema, if it's not Rose trouble, don't say no. Don't put out no do none of that. So what I say, Dyema one big woman. If you don't know the internet like that, you know say Dyema one big woman. She do anything what she feel like for do. She will just listen what you say, but she not have to do it. She's a Aries, just like my little boy. Una provoke the woman, gonna provoke her come. I'm a simple company that it answer una leave the woman alone. Una say me a instigator, me a mix up, me a bagger, me a everything in one. Alright then. As an instigator like me now. Me that tell her say, put out everything where you have and done. Una understand say when I have a friend, I not show them up and me tell you now, you see me and una two different things. You see phone type of friendship me no want. So una might not see when me I tell her behind the camera say, leave it alone. If them come for you, try your best for avoid it. How much more the woman can bear? If una know say me on a friend, and every time somebody come provoke una, me tell una say leave it alone, stop. Don't pay them no mind, try to ignore them. It's how much more you can take. I only can tell yourself to stop, but I cannot tell yourself to do it. Me only can tell yourself, friend, done. But if you keep on a provoke her, and she want to do whatever, I only can sit there and support it. Because every time is so much a person can bear. We are human beings, we're not fucking animals. Only keep on a port the woman, me come and say, leave the woman alone. Only say me an instigator. Alright, me know what to instigate. You know much time I tell them myself to stop following up. You know much time I tell herself to just leave her alone, black her out her head. Because I know. Shay, my baby want. You know much time I tell her. I might not tell her on the internet like that, but I tell her behind closed doors. Say, sister, no pay them no mind. Take your life, make your money play so much. Sell your things, them. You have your little things them for sell. Sell them. She can't tell you no. And that me tell her whole heap of time. Me tell her to ignore you no. And she says so much I can't take. Me cannot take it no more. What me for do? If I'm a rose trouble you, fine. Me tell her. Because I the piglet them keep on and provoke the woman every minute. But if you make the devil talk to her, can't save you no more, darling. Hi, my darling. Do you want continue to make the devil talk to her? Because in my head, me I say, you know, say Rose, that me a think chat. I don't know if me a overthink. As when I say me is a overthinker, I say to myself, say, why Rosealee people them keep on a provoke Dyema? Rose knows something. She want to put out Akeem and sink him, but she wanted Dyema to do it, not she. She don't want to do it herself because she know what the outcome. So Dyema she want blood clot put out the boy. Dyema she want put out everything. It's a setup. A set to try to set up the blood clot girl. That is why I tell her. I say, leave it alone. Una ask Dyema if me not tell her how much time for low it. Me say, good God, man, then can lawyer, man. I provoke them, I provoke you. Me say, don't pay them no mind, leave them alone. Them a provoke you for you do what you're not supposed to do. So if Mo's an instigator, me not tell her to put it out long blood clot time. I mash up the internet. I not tell her for do it long time. I did not. But since you keep on a provoke woman, I cannot tell a woman to finish anymore. It's only much a person can bear. I don't know. I don't know. It's only so much a person. Me only can tell you. Me and our friend, I said done. Done, done, done. Try your best to avoid them. One day you're not going to listen to me. Can you go every time Shay tell me say fi done? But them people are keep on and provoke me. Do man tired of blood clot, uno. If me did that instigate the war, me da tell her for put out the whole of uno blood clot long time. Cause uno don't know what the woman really have, you know. I'm tired with me tell you say leave the woman alone. If me did that instigate it, me tell her for put it out. Me tell her don't put it out. Me tell her for leave it. Avoid uno. Try your best to block on. Me say to her, say, Dyema, if it's not Rosa provoke you, leave it. If a Rose piglet them provoking and the ag cannot tell her piglet them say to leave you alone. So just allow it. Because them are gonna make you sin yourself. Them are gonna make you put out where you're not supposed to. But it,
Tell them.
and she said, Shay, me tired. Me tired. Me tired. What am I for do? Do man say she tired. And if you no continue pressure and block, she gonna bust the pipe. And that me no want. So since me as an instigator want to claim to say me be, me could have been instigated and tell her say, fuck the whole of them, dash it out.
And she know it feel.
I mean know how it feel.
You know like when nobody take no set pan her. She will talk long time. So wanna stay.
Me different from her. Me that done bust it already. Because me no want nobody take no set pan me. Once me know me have so much receipt, me bust it. Everybody in a Dyema ears, our mother, our sister, me, everybody in the woman ears. How much more the woman can take? Una leave the girl alone. The girl not trouble una lower. Una kickbacks a bully the woman. Me can't take bully. Because none of the on TikTok can face me. And none of the can bring me down. I bring down myself. Una try millions of plenty way to bring me down. Me strong like the rock of Gibraltar. None of the can make me shed one tears from blood clot this. Me hard rock. Me hard for crack. None of the can put me in a depression. Not day, no time. None of the can make me jump off of my balcony and blood clot and hang no rope around my bumble clot neck. Come here live. From a small as so me grow. Live my life. Me no give a fuck what people want to say. Me no seek validation from girl or boy. And me that. Me am my own a boss, my own a dad. Me do everything by my blood clad self. Me not do group. Me not do groupies. Me not do friend and company bag a group up and no. I saw me grow. Me grow like a stallion. Me know if stay by myself. Me not like people.
Honestly, people, I don't even know what to say. It's a must say, but nevertheless, let me just give you some quick updates while going for to go on with the king and the queen because boy, it looked like she finally get the ring and the baby. It's a must say, the whole internet is going crazy after tremendous, healthy, good-looking weight. Then is packing. You feel me? And a lot of women is saying that's definitely a belly bump. As you know, they transferred Squash to Louisiana. He's still serving time, but he's closer to one ICE detention facility where they're ready for ship out people to be back deported to Jamaica. Anyway, people, we're not go long with this no longer. You see me? Bless.